What is up, guys? Welcome back to TK's Garage. And I literally just got done driving this car 4,400 miles over the last week, maybe a little bit more. I'm only counting the highway miles between here and Las Vegas and back, and this thing has been absolutely flawless. I mean, really flawless. This thing has run like an absolute champ, and it looks amazing. If you're looking at how this thing looks on video and you're wondering about it, wonder all you want. The thing runs and drives absolutely amazing with no complaints. I know you're gonna say fake news. TK says he likes the car and has no complaints. I know it doesn't sound like real news and that it sounds like fake news, but I promise you I'm really enjoying the car. One of the things I'm really enjoying, the fact that it has a key for the gas cap, right? Physical key, man, which means ain't nobody putting no sugar in the tank, ain't nobody trying to take the car to the Blue Oyster, none of that, right? It's got these nice official keys, like actual keys, no key fob, man. We're old school with it, and sometimes they don't work, so you got to use the valet key because it's still sharper. I'm gonna have to get another key cut for the car. I already know. Boom, valet key works every single time. And then like the lighting accents, look, man, little stuff like that, right? The little light right there, the little lights in here. It's just, it's all about the attention to detail for me, right? The attention to detail. Let me clean this camera real quick. I hate this, man. The attention to detail is really, for me, what sets a car off. Everything from this wood grain that looks amazing all the way around, right, to the nice leather seats with the nice leather cushions in the seats, which you don't even get today, right? The radio got a nice little FU, don't steal my shit, all right? And it's just everything from the lighting to just how the car feels. I've really enjoyed it. I'm not gonna lie, my ass was a little tight when I first got the car, and it was smoking and other shit. And then I figured out it was very simple maintenance items, knocked them out, and we're good to go. Now, this little inside liner to the roof, I'm probably going to get repaired, you know, maybe patch it instead of replace the whole thing, just to keep it moving. And I've already ordered these things as well, these little clips that these snap into. That's a common thing that breaks. But yeah, man, overall the car has run like an absolute dream. I mean, who buys a car, doesn't know much about it, drives it back and forth across the country and just chilling, all by getting like 23, 24 miles to the gallon? This thing was a beast. So what does that mean? Well, I'm outside. You can tell I'm at the Country Inn and Suites. I'm just enjoying myself. I got back. I'm gonna get me a good night's rest, and then I'm gonna go take this thing, because I know it probably looks good on video, but it's friggin' filthy, man. Bugs and stuff everywhere. I got to get it cleaned up. We got to get it right. And then I think I'm going to throw the Jaguar up for sale. I know some of y'all are going to be like, TK, that's stupid. Why would you do that? It's a 1,000,000-mile Jag. You just found out it's got 1,000,000 miles on it. Why would you do that? Well, I mean, what am I going to do with it? You know, the purpose of me running back here real quick was a couple different things. You know, I'm sure you saw the stuff I posted about the truck being destroyed. The truck is wrecked. And then the scat pack is supposed to be coming out of the shop. So I had to get back here and get back to the car, right? And to be honest, I have a feeling that once I get back into the scat pack, even though it's missing the rear seat and the passenger seat, you know I'm going to the track, right? With it missing them seats and everything, man, I don't know, man. I just feel like once I drive it, I'm just going to be like, oh, I'm driving this everywhere. And the Jaguar is kind of going to get neglected. And these cars are not great to just sit. They got to be driven. And the reason why I think this one runs so well, and it made it back and forth to Vegas without an issue, man, is because it does have 1,000,000 miles. Because it does run. And somebody drove it every friggin' day. And that's why it runs the way it does now. This never gets old right here, though. Love this. hearing that satisfying lock of the trunk, man, love it. Now somebody's asked, am I going to do something about the paint? And because it's really shiny over here and you can see it's kind of faded on the hood. And I don't know. If I end up keeping it, I would probably paint it, but the paint is original, so I kind of don't want to mess with it. And then it really just depends on Jaguar. If Jaguar is going to be honest, you know, if they're really going to offer me money for this car, I'm probably going to sell it back to Jaguar, and they're going to do their thing with it, probably put it in a museum or something else, who knows. But all I can tell you is, as you know, don't let mileage scare you on a car if it's got a good maintenance history and it's been properly maintained. I guess that's the best thing I can say. Anywho's, wow, I can't even talk. I am checked in here, so I am now going to go in here and get my ass some sleep. I am tired after this long ass trip, but I got a lot more traveling to go, guys, so stay tuned. If you like today's video and you like what I do, let me know. Smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. I got a lot more automotive content coming for you guys here very, very soon.